Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be exploring the many styles of tying a dust tie. For my very first video, we'll be tying a Dumalla. Now what you want to do is make sure you have a half cut kapra, right? Grab both ends and just place it right around the bunga. Grab one corner, place it here, grab the other half, and just want to place it barely even covering the whole thing. You don't want to cover the whole thing yet. You just bring it across. Now to cover your forehead, you just simply just bring the rest of the cup around. And you can eventually kind of just like hug the rest of it in, just like that. And you cup it around here, hiding it. So what you do, again, you can do two things here. You can just bring it straight across like this, or if you kind of want a little more kneading, you can grab it, put the folds together, straighten it out. If you want once, you should do this because it puts all the copper back in. We should as well. Hold one hand in the back, bring it up, cover your eye as much as you want, or not necessarily your eye, but your side of your head here. But you want to cover at least. When I tie the mullah, I tend to cover my 4 ears. It's more comfortable for me, but you can really do what you like. Most people that I've met, at least, tend to cover about majority of it, leaving only a quarter out. But I can't. You just gotta do you when you're tying your own to start. And then to cover the other ear, you do the same thing. Bring both ends together and try your best to evenly place it through. Remember, both ears are gonna look exactly the same, Either covered or not covered. It's all up to you. Here. Now you want to bring this down. I will be making a video on the bunga eventually. I can't give you a solid answer when, but it will happen soon, at least one day. Make sure everything is straight across from here. Have it do the exact same thing. But now, to cover this part, we're going to place it a little lower down, just straight ahead. What you could do is slightly go upwards, like you could place it more about a little higher than the ears. And then just go across, kind of evening it out. But I generally just like to go straight. It's quicker, easier, simpler. Right? You will notice a pattern that just generally prefer more simple styles. Like eventually I want to make the bug videos. It's gonna be very simple. Vatawale bug. So we live by classic old school. You wanna go? You wanna do that about 3 times. So this is gonna be the second time. Notice I just go straight across again. For the final and third time. Let's go. A little lower actually would be a good idea. Yep. Always try keeping an even amount of space for each and every lud. Because if you don't, it's eventually kind of just go inwards instead of kind of just straight up. And that's just going to look really dumb. Now this is the point when we start going upwards. And you can start by doing that is first from your ear. Just simply go up and across at the very top where we place the other lid. And then exactly where you started from the other side, you want to end it off there. Oh boy. Always try to keep things even. Because regardless how your start looks, it's gonna how your start looks, right? With the wrinkles. If it's evened out, it's gonna be great. Right? The shape is going to be good. And you simply so I do that again. Place it slightly higher each and every time. Now, most people that I know don't tie their demandas like this. They tie it differently. I tie this one simply because I found it far easier to learn. And I'm going to be honest, I'm still relatively new to the Dumalla. Right? So, if you do have any critiques, advice, anything, let me know in the comments below. And me, but if you do want to learn from me personally, you can simply just go on my TikTok and message me there. I will send everyone a link in the bio. Or you could even just visit my website, which I'll also be sending a link in the bio, and you can figure out and you can read more about styles there too. Now this is the final nut. This is the game winner. You either make it this one, or you don't, and you have to restart the entire thing. And it's really simple. You just do the exact same thing. It's literally just rinse and repeat. And you're done. Look at that. Right? Maybe you want to tuck in a little bit from the top, right? Get the shape nice in there. Some of the butts may be a little loose, but hey, like the mullah's always going to be good looking, regardless if you don't even find it to be good looking. Yeah, so that's the tutorial. If you have any advice, critiques, or questions, even, just comment down below. I'll always respond. Vai que dia calça, vai que dia que